Welcome back. Today we're going for the island vibes with our little coconut. We have our pan already sprayed. Our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Let's get into this coconut cream cake, y'all. So first we're going to start off with our white cake box mix. Go ahead and pour that in there. And we're going to be adding about a cup of milk, about half of a cup of melted butter. Make sure you get it a little bit to room temperature, not too hot. We're going to be adding just about a tablespoon of vegetable oil and 3 eggs. All right, y'all, get your little mixer and get to mixing. And after a few minutes, your batter should look a little bit something like this. And let's go ahead and add our cake mix mixture into our pan. And just spread it out as evenly as you can with your little spatula. And we're going to be putting this into our oven for about 30 minutes or until you can put a toothpick in it and it comes out clear. So y'all, for our little liquid mixture that we'll be adding on top of our cake, we're just taking 1 can of coconut milk. You could also use a can of cream of coconut. And we'll be adding 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And we'll be mixing this together, and this is going to make our cake super moist and give it that coconut flavor, islandy vibe that we're looking for. So get you a little whisk and just make sure to get all those lumps out of there. And it should look like this. So y'all, we're gonna take a fork and just poke several holes into our cake. And we're gonna do this to allow our coconut and sweetened condensed milk to just drip in between the little crevices of our cake, kind of like a tres leches cake if you've ever had one. We're just gonna give our cake extra moisture, extra flavor. It's gonna be so good, y'all. So take your sweetened condensed milk and coconut milk and just slowly add it on top. You can see we have a lot, but don't worry. You could already see it seeping down in the little cracks of our cake. So just take your time, spread it around if you have to, and add the rest of it. And like I said, just spread that around some more. We're gonna let our cake sit and cool for about an hour or two. And we're just gonna be placing some foil on top to keep in that moisture and a little bit of that warm heat. And after a couple hours, y'all, this is what it's looking like. So we're just gonna take some Cool Whip and just take our little spatula as if we're adding some frosting. After you've applied all your Cool Whip, we're going to be adding some sweetened coconut flakes to the top. You can add as much or as little as you like. I'm just adding probably about half of the bag of coconut flakes. And y'all, that's pretty much it for this recipe. I know a lot of people don't like coconut, but I do. So yeah, I know this is one of my favorite cakes, a little coconut cream cake. You can see the little flakes, the little white, snow white. It looks like snow. Y'all, let's dig into this cake. You can see how moist it is already. I was too lazy to get a plate. I just used a Cool Whip top. Who cares? It's finna be cleaned off anyway. But y'all, let's get a close-up of that. Ooh, that moistness of that coconut cake, y'all. I ate almost a whole pan by myself. It was so sweet, so flaky. Just put me on an island somewhere, y'all. Just put me on an island. But I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye.